Today we will create a function that takes a list of non-negative integers and strings and returns a new list with the strings filtered out. Let's go. So here we are. First of all, we can iterate through the list. So for character in list. And let's print out the types of the characters and the characters itself. There we go. So we have integers and strings. And what we have to do is to filter out the strings. With a condition, of course. So if the type of the character is equal to a string, then we can remove it from the initial list and return the list. That doesn't quite work out. We should use a copy of the list because it causes strange behavior if we iterate over the original list itself. And that does work out. You can use in the built-in method copy as well, like this. But of course, you can take another approach, like the following: create a new list, result, and again, iterate over the list for character in list. And if the type of the character is not a string, then we can append the character to the result list. Let's return the result here. And there we go. And in the same fashion, you can use this comprehension as well, of course. So return character for character in the list if the type of the character is not equal to a string. And there we go. Let's test it out. Works like a charm. Hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.